There are also those who claim that our reform efforts would ensure illegal immigrants. This, too, is false. The reforms I'm proposing would not apply to those who are here illegally. It's not true.
First of all, that was completely uncalled for. Even if you disagree with President Obama on his health care reform, there's a time and a place to voice those opinions. But the time and place where you don't do it is during a joint session of Congress. You don't shout at the president while he's making a speech. That's rude, it's disrespectful, and it's completely unacceptable to do it on live television. And hopefully he was escorted out of that place. Now, the next issue is illegal immigration itself. I am kind of surprised that Obama has to kind of like give in to the conservatives who are against health care for illegal immigrants. Now, I mean, just think about it this way. I mean, on one hand, I can understand nobody wants to pay money to help other people. We're all pretty selfish. We want to take care of ourselves. In the case of illegal immigrants, nobody wants to give up their tax dollars to, I guess, save their lives. We can look at them as trash, and that's that. But guess what? That's not ethical. That's unethical. It's not... You know, how else can I say this other than to say that's not what Jesus would do? At least that's not how Jesus was portrayed as. I mean, Christians always talk about being kind to other people and following the teachings of Jesus. That's not what Jesus would do, if according to what you say Jesus is like. Unless maybe he really was a fucking jerk. We're all human beings. We're all human beings. So even illegal immigrants are human beings. So the ethical thing to do would be to provide them with health care. And in the case of... I mean, ideally, it would be universal health care. You don't have to fill out any fucking forms. If you get sick, you just go to the hospital, they treat you, and then you go home. That's it. Now, in Europe, like France or England, if you get sick, if you get hurt, you can go to the doctor, and they'll treat you, and you don't have to pay any money. It's free. But you're not a citizen of their country, but it's fine. Because in those countries, they realize that this is what you're supposed to do for another human being. This is a service that we should not charge for. It's as simple as that. I don't know why people don't realize that. I guess on the Republican side, I can understand, you know, the whole, I don't want to spend money on these illegal immigrants. We've already demonized these people. We associate illegal immigrants with bad people. So when you have that kind of mentality, I guess I can understand where they're coming from. They don't want to spend money on them. But again, we have to realize that illegal immigrants are not necessarily bad people. In fact, I would say 99% of illegal immigrants are not bad people. Statistics-wise, there's a lot more citizens in our prisons, portion-wise, than illegal immigrants. Illegal immigrants are a minority in terms of people who break the law. More citizens break the law. So they're not bad people. And as such, I think they deserve, you know, universal health care. If you disagree, be specific on why you don't think that illegal immigrants deserve health care. And why is it important to you? I mean, why is it that you can't front up some money to help your fellow man? That I want to know. And that's that.